Hello students. Today we are going to learn about the quadrilaterals, which is our third unit of its class. So understanding quadrilateral is the name of the unit, and you very well know what is quadrilateral, but before that we also revise some of the points. So which point we will include in this video? Polygons, then what is the classification, what are the types of polygons, then diagonals, right? With diagonals, what is the interior part and exterior part of the quadrilateral or polygon? Then next type, convex polygon and concave polygon, right? What is mean by regular and irregular polygon? And the last, we will cover the angles and property of a quadrilateral triangle, that both are polygon. So our first definition is what is mean by polygon, right? So polygon means what? It is a simple closed curve. If I can draw simple closed curve made up of line segment, condition is that made up of line segment. Suppose I am drawing like that, it is not a polygon. But suppose I am drawing by a line segment, right? These are line segments consisting of 4 line segments, right? So it is a polygon, right? Made up of 4 line segment. And why it is simple closed curve? I have drawn without lifting the my pen. So it is a simple closed curve. All sides or line segments are interconnected with each other, right? You very well know. So that is known as polygon, which is simple closed curve made up of line segment, right? In our textbook also they have mentioned this definition, right? So the curves that are not polygon, which are the curves that are not polygon? Suppose I am drawing such, it is not a polygon because it is crossed here, right? Though it is close, this polygon is not a polygon because it is a open polygon, right? So you know how to identify polygon. Polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segment. Line segment is most important keyword in this. Now, according to the classification of polygons, so polygons are classified on the basis of sides, right? On the number of sides, right? So on number of sides, you already heard about the name, the table we will refer from the textbook, right? 3 sides, the name of the polygon is triangle, right? 4 sides, it is a quadrilateral. 5 sides, it is a pentagon. 6, hexagon, 6 sides. And the 7 sides, heptagon. 8 sides, octagon. 9, nonagon. And 10, decagon, right? So on, the number of sides will increase, the uh, name will get changed according to that. And the last word gon is there, and in front of that gon the sides, hept, oct, non, right? Pent, pent means 5, quad means 4, tri means 3, hex, hexa means 6, hept means 7, oct means 8. So according to that we will classify the polygon according to the number of sides consisting in it, right? So this is all about the classification of a polygon according to the sides, right? So there are many type of polygons, right? Now next our topic is what is diagonal, right? So diagonal is that which is joining the two non-consecutive vertices. Now you know all know what is vertices. If I am drawing this square, so you know that the joining of two line segment is the vertices. This is vertices, right? If I am joining non-consecutive, right? Suppose this vertices have the consecutive this and non-consecutive this. Suppose I am joining this, so it forms diagonal. So how many diagonals? two non-consecutive pairs, so two diagonals, right? Two diagonals in this squares. So means diagonals means non-consecutive vertices, right? Or we can say in simple language the opposite vertices, right? These are the opposite vertices of a quadrilateral or a polygon, we can say. Now, what is the interior and exterior? You know very well. The interior means the interior part of this polygon. Suppose I am drawing these points. These are all points in the interior of this polygon. Suppose I am drawing this point B. It is exterior. So I have not explaining too much on that. We will go on further. That is our next type. Again, we have divided the polygon on the basis of their shapes, right? So polygons divided into two type, convex and concave, right? So these terms are very closely related to the physics, you know very well. Concave shapes and convex, right? Concave mirror and convex mirror. In that we have studied this concave means which is having the cave structure in that shape, right? So on the basis of that we try to understand what is convex. First type is convex, the portion of the diagonals not in the exterior. This is according to the book, means portion of diagonal not in the exterior. Not in the exterior means suppose I am drawing this polygon and I am joining their opposite vertices. So these are the diagonals. So portion of this not in the exterior. So which polygon having the portion outside? Suppose I am drawing such a polygon and I am making a cave like structure here, right? So this cave like structure is representing that it is a concave, and it is not cave like structure, we are understanding it is a convex. So it is convex. Why? Because cave structure is not present here, and here it is a cave structure, so it is a concave polygon. According to our book, they have mentioned here the concave polygons are looks like that, right? The cave, in all the polygons there is a cave, and convex, they don't have any cave structure. They are made up of straight line segments, but both are made up of both straight line segment, but they do not have cave structure. If they do not have cave structure, then it is a convex, and if they have cave structure, then it is a concave polygon. So we will study the next topic, remaining topic, that is regular polygon, irregular polygon, angle sum property, in next video. Thank you.